Hey guys, Dave here. I wanted a snack, so I decided to make up these chicken salad melts. Yes, it's just a matter of making up some chicken salad, putting it on a piece of toast, some cheese over the top, and slipping it into the oven, and you have this simply delicious snack. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is grab up a few pieces of leftover roasted chicken, and in this case, believe it or not, I'm slipping them into the bowl of my mixer, which does work remarkably well. Turn the mixer on low and leave it on for 2 or 3 minutes, and it does shred up very, very nicely. Of course, you can do this by hand, but it's just a little trick of the trade that I picked up along the way. Now just go ahead and throw that chicken into a bowl. Add in a stalk of chopped celery, some chopped green onions, a good pinch of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon, another teaspoon or 2 of ground black pepper. Now this is totally optional, but I'm going to slip in about, I'd say half a teaspoon of dill. I just like the taste. Of course, you've just got to have garlic, so in with another, I'd say half a teaspoon, depending on how garlicky you want it. Throw in about a 1/4 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes just for that little bit of heat. And last but not least, a 1/4 or half a cup of mayo, depending on how creamy you want it. Now, I did say last but not least on the mayo, but I lied. I'm going to throw in the juice of about a 1/4 of a lemon just for that acidity. Alrighty then, grab up your spoon or spatula and just kind of mix everything together until it is beautifully combined. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love any kind of chicken salad. Next up, grab a couple of pieces of bread and throw them into the old toaster and just toast them up. I'm using brown in this case, but you can use white too. Pull them out and simply slip them onto a baking tray. Then add a good application of that ever so yummy chicken salad over top of your toast. And just kind of spread it out evenly. And actually, as you can see, this is kind of like an open-faced sandwich, and you're probably going to get, maybe 3 or 4 out of these, depending on how much chicken salad you make up. Alrighty then, now it's time to grab up the old grater and a block of good old mozzarella. And just kind of shred it up. Then you guessed it, over top of that open-faced chicken salad sandwich we go. How much you put on really depends on you, but I like a good amount of it because I just love cheese, just like a big mouse. Now we're going to go ahead and slip this into the oven on broil for a few minutes, I'd say 5-7 minutes, something like that, just until the cheese melts and it's beautifully heated through. And just kind of look at this cook and bubble away, guys. Doesn't it look spectacular? I mean, I'm getting hungry just watching it bake. After a few minutes, our chicken salad melts are done, and don't they look absolutely spectacular? Wow. So you got it. Just go ahead and plate them up because they are ready to serve. Of course, don't forget to garnish up with a few more green onions just to make them all pretty like. And you bite into these guys, they are absolutely spectacular. That crunch of the toast, the chicken salad, that cheese over the top. Your friends, family, and guests are just going to go wild over them. Cheers to chicken salad melts. And as I say in every video, if you get a chance, like and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your snack and see you next time.